Oh, 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 Merry Christmas! So this is going to be my first holiday look for 2015, and I did a quite similar look like this before, but what makes this different now is that we added some sparkles over our lids. So let's get started. Applying a primer is definitely a must since we will be partying all night and we want our eyeshadow to last till the party's over. And then I'm just setting the paint pot with this cream eyeshadow. So to make the eyeshadow look nicely blended, I'm taking this mid-tone brown colored eyeshadow and working this onto my crease area as my transition color. Then I will be blending this color, darker color brown shadow onto my crease to make it look more darker and intensify. So today I'm using my eyeshadow stick from Daiso. You need to try this one, guys. It's amazing and it's very affordable. I'm applying this all over my mobile lid and blending it using my fingers. Then I'm taking this midnight blue eyeshadow and patting this all over that blue eyeshadow stick that we applied earlier. Then I'm just going to blend the edges using a dark brown colored eyeshadow. And the star of the night, which is this beautiful glitter. I'm just spritzing my brush with this makeup mist before I dip it into the glitter. And right now I'm just patting the glitters all over my lids. See how beautiful is that, guys? Oh my gosh. So now I'm just doing, of course, my wing eyeliner since I really love wing eyeliner. And of course, don't forget to tightline your upper waterline to complete the look and curl them lashes and apply it depends on you if how many coats you will apply mascara on, but for me I'm just applying one coat since I will be adding some false eyelashes to glam up the look. And then of course don't forget to highlight your brow bone. Today, I will be using my Nivea Aftershave Balm as my primer and this foundation from Prima Vista. And I will be having a review on this one, so make sure to check on that. Then I will be using my what's it called, Real Techniques Expert Face Brush in blending my foundation. And of course don't forget to highlight your under eye area to hide those dark circles, because it really makes a difference if your under area is really well highlighted or clean. So I'm just lapping this powder all over my oh my goodness, it even catches under my over my lashes. So let's just get on with it, guys. So now it's time to fill in those brows. I'm trying this new brow from Fasio and I really do like this one. If you want to see a full video on how I groom and fill in my brows, I have a video on that and I will have the link on the description box if you want to check it out. So now it's time to contour our nose and make sure to blend it well to avoid harsh lines, and as well as giving shape back to our face. Make sure to contour your face according to your face shape. And then of course don't forget to apply some blush to bring back some color and highlight those high points on your face, the nose. Oh my gosh, I really love highlighting. And now it's time to finish our eyes. I will just be applying a dark brown pencil onto the lower lash line and then applying a generous amount of mascara onto the lower lashes. And of course don't forget to highlight those inner corners of the eyes. Now it's time to prep the lips, and I'm applying a lip concealer because I wanted my lipstick, the true color of my lipsticks to show. So I'm lining my lips, just following the natural shape, and I'm using a light colored lipstick since our eyes is already very dramatic and dark, and finishing it off with a pink lip gloss. So this is the final look, guys. So I guess that's it for this look, you guys, and I hope you wear this one in your upcoming Christmas party. I'm so excited for Christmas party, although I don't have any Christmas party to attend to. FYI, in Japan, Christmas is not celebrated. So yeah, for those who are celebrating Christmas, yay! It's almost Christmas. So yeah, I hope you've liked this look for today that I created for you. And if you happen to do this look, please don't forget to tag me on all my social media accounts: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, yeah, and also here on YouTube, wherever you can. So yeah, I hope you really enjoy this one, because I really did enjoy doing this look for you guys. And yeah, and please don't forget to like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more holiday looks to come. So yeah, I think that's it. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So I'll see you in my next one, guys, and love you all. Merry Christmas. Peace.